Okay, you guys ready? Here's one. Chuck, what question do the customers ask that you think is the dumbest question?
The what?
What question? I have an answer to this. If you ask me what I thought the dumbest question we get asked over and over is, because we always get the same questions, right?
I guess. I mean, I get a lot of dumb questions.
Oh, damn it.
I can't really narrow one down.
Okay, I'm going to tell you the dumbest question.
Do we sell grow lights?
That's...
Well, I'm an indoor, yeah, of course.
Okay.
I mean, as he's standing in front of these walls of T5s, staring right at him. I don't know what to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
So...
Are you hiring?
Are you hiring? That's a dumb question.
Dude, I'm the only guy here. It's a small store, and we're like 1 foot on a banana peel and the other one in a grave.
Okay, here's my number one question. Yo, I used to grow back in the day.
Oh.
What's changed?
What's new?
What's new?
What's new?
No, that's a real question. That's a real question. But what's changed? I mean, there may be different equipment, but you guys have been burning your plants up back then. You guys burn your plants up today. It doesn't matter what lights you guys use, street lights, whatever lights you guys thought you used, whatever nutrients you thought you used, overwatering, over too much light, too many nutrients. They come in and they ask, what's the best light? They come in and they ask, I haven't done this in a while. You know what I mean? What's changed? Nothing. You guys have the same problems. And this is why I tell you guys very specifically, if you guys all have the same problems and have had the same problems for the whole life of this grow, for the whole life that people have grown weed indoors, think about guys like Green Man who grew in his basement, and he would be like in the basement, and he had panda paper, and he'd like pull the panda paper down. He had like bricks with like the basement window was like the driveway right there, and he like covered it in panda, and it was covered in green. He was like the Green Man, and he was telling you how to grow and you take a clone and you snip it, and you take this part and you dip it, and take a fucking clone. I mean, just don't kill it with too much light. And so you guys have been killing your plants for so long. It's amazing how long it's the history of growing weed. It's not just funny to me every time I do this show, how everybody does the same thing over and over, which is why I do the show, because I want to prove I'm right. So you buy my book, The Grow Book and Equipment Guide. You can pick it up on my website, thegrowboss.com, because I'm right. But if you think about, let's just say he is right. Not even 99%, 85%, club 15. 15% of growers at least do okay. Let's just 78%, C+.
They can bag something at the end of the grow.
They get a bag. They bag it at the end.
Buds.
I'm just saying, it's a really big number. You know what I mean? It's like 85% of growers fail if I'm right. And according to 10,000 growers, it's 99%. But let's just say it's 85%. Plus or margin error, don't even need it. 85%. Just 85%. 50%. Let's just say 50% of growers fail. It's not unreasonable 50% of restaurants fail. And you guys all fail for the same reasons. I don't need to teach you how to grow. That's what this infomercial is about. You just gotta use the force, Grow Prodigy. And as long as you think it's about more, you can't win. By definition, I'll tell you why you can't win as long as you think it's about more. I'll tell you why you can't, I guarantee you 100%. You can't win if you think growing cannabis is about more, okay? I'll tell you, it is undeniable. You can't win. You can finish. Dude, this is straight winning.